for Route 126 in Bellingham, which is exit 46 now. One vehicle deep into the median, likely needs to be winched out, and at least 2 more vehicles have crashed at the
winched out, not winched out.
Close to a 2-mile backup getting...
You! Stop sign, dear. You have a stop sign. That wasn't quite a stop either. That wasn't nice. Pay attention, dum-dum. Pay attention. That be considered a cutoff? Ah, you suck. Sat next to Doug. Aha, yeah. Run the red. Hey, run the red. Finally gonna tear this thing down. It was a lovely house. Beyond saving. Jesus. Your finger out of your nose, lady. What is going in there? I would love to fucking know. For Christ's sake, don't fucking hit me. Asshole. Try looking before you walk, lady, you know? Shut up, you fucking high beams, you shitbag. Stop! Just walk out in front of me. No problem. No, not a problem at all. Yep. Wasn't your turn, lady. Oh, finally bring it down. Jeff! This happened the other day, too. Relax the jaw. I'm almost out of Massachusetts. A couple more miles. Just a couple more miles. Are you gonna stop? No. Stop! Stop! Make up your mind, dum-dum. They're like dum-dum. Oh, God, just force them off the road for Christ's sakes.
The Joint Committee on Beacon Hill, the law should be expanded to include domestic violence situations. It should
Stop. 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 School bus. Stop. 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 School bus. School bus. School bus. Stop. 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 Any of these gonna stop? School bus. Stop. 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 Ay. Bastard. Red light runner. Hello. Tailgate much? Turn the red. Stop! 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 Did he go? What just happened there? Stop! The line is Ray Charles. Don't you come back no more, no more.